Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will see the detailed plot summary of the novel The Sign of the Four. Let's begin. Holmes complains of boredom. Set in London, 1888, the novel starts and ends with Sherlock Holmes taking cocaine. He complains that life is too tedious to endure if he does not have anything to stimulate his intellect. He thrives on difficult puzzles and demonstrates his skills by deducing precisely where Watson has been that morning and by correctly describing the origins of Watson's watch. Then Mary Morstan. Holmes is pleased when Miss Mary Morstan arrives to present the mystery of her missing father. She explains that Captain Morstan disappeared nearly 10 years ago on returning to England from the Andaman Islands. Every year since May 1882, she has received a single and lustrous pearl by post, with no clue as to the sender. She approaches Holmes now because she has been sent a letter from an unknown friend asking her to be outside the Lyceum Theatre that evening. Thaddeus Sholto's home. Holmes and Watson accompany Mary and the three are taken to Thaddeus Sholto's house. He tells them how Captain Morstan died of heart attack following an argument with his father, Major John Sholto. He also explains how Major Sholto died of apparent shock before telling his sons, Thaddeus and Bartholomew, where the Agra treasure was hidden. Then buried treasure. Thaddeus goes on to explain that Bartholomew found the treasure in a secret room at the top of Pondicherry Lodge. The treasure chest contains jewels of great value. Thaddeus insists that this should be shared between the two brothers and Miss Morstan, which would make her the richest heiress in the England. Bartholomew Sholto is found dead. When they are finally admitted to Pondicherry Lodge, Holmes and Watson discover that Bartholomew Sholto is dead in his room and the treasure is gone. The door is locked from the inside, and so Holmes looks for clues as to what has happened. Holmes makes a discovery. Holmes discovers footprints that must belong to a man with a wooden leg, a thorn in Bartholomew Sholto's scalp, which Holmes claims is poison, and small bare footprints on the roof that are stained with creosote. Mr. Athelney Jones, a police detective, arrives and comes quickly to the conclusion that Thaddeus is a murderer. He arrests him and takes him away. Meanwhile, Holmes sends Watson to collect a dog called Toby, who has the most amazing power of scent. Holmes has a theory. Holmes and Watson follow Toby as he tracks the creosote scent. Holmes explains his theory about the missing treasure and the murders as they go. He deduces that the wooden legged man must be Jonathan Small and that the thorn has been fired by an accomplice. The dog brings them to a house advertising boats for hire. Holmes learns from Mrs. Smith that her husband, Mordecai, owns a fast boat or launch called the Aurora, which he has hired to a wooden legged man. Both man and the boat are missing. The Baker Street Irregulars. Holmes employs Wiggins and the Baker Street Irregulars, a group of young boys, to search for the Aurora. When they are unsuccessful, Holmes goes out disguised as a sailor and finds the boat in a yard. Then, chasing the Aurora, Mr. Athelney Jones arranges for a police boat to collect him. Watson and Holmes that night. When the Aurora launches onto the river Thames, the police boat gives chase. They approach the boat and Small's accomplice, Tonga, lifts his hand to fire a dart. Holmes and Watson both shoot at him and he falls into the river. Jonathan Small's wooden legs get stuck in the mud and he is easily caught. Jonathan Small confesses. Small confesses his story of meeting Muhammad Singh and Abdullah Khan in India. He explains how they promised him a share of treasure if he would help them to murder the merchant Achmet. The sign of the four represented their oath along with Dost Akbar to share Achmet's treasure. However, the men were arrested for the murder of Achmet and Small was sent to the Andaman Island to serve his sentence. In an attempt to free the treasure, Small told Major Sholto and Captain Morrison where it was hidden, promising them a fifth share. Sholto did not keep his word, however, and stole the treasure. Eventually, Small escaped and tracked down Sholto and the treasure, proving Holmes' theory to be accurate. This is what the detailed summary of the novel The Sign of the Four. I hope all of you have understood this. If you want to see the similar videos of 12th English, visit our channel, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon button. If you like this video, like it, share among your friends, relatives. If you have any question, complaint, reply, information, write it in comment box. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Thanks a lot.